Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a week or so, it's actually just basically the past day and a half broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this, let's just call it Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about just general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So Bitcoin has continued to pull back here. And as of right now being defined as, when I'm recording this video, it's trying to stabilize out here. But the one level now that needs to be updated, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 8,400, right around that area, was an area of support going into, the last time I did the video. But now that the price broke below it right there, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And actually, you could throw this right into a textbook because as I speak right now, you can see the price is currently doing battle with that level. And it's been able to push up above it, but as far as staying up above it, that's where the price has struggled. And that segues perfectly into the first question. I'm a little jealous of those of you that are watching this. Let's just say Sunday afternoon. So if you're watching this Sunday afternoon, like I said, I'm jealous because you're going to have a lot more data and you're going to know what has actually happened right now. But question number one is nothing fancy. Just, okay, well, where is the price at relative to 8,400? If you're answering the question that the price is up above 8,400, then great. That means that the price has been able to break back above that area of resistance. And now that would be putting the price, back up into this range of the chart, which would be, pretty healthy from an overall charting perspective. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below there, now that doesn't necessarily mean the entire chart is destroyed or ruined. It just means that the price has not been able to get any sort of true break. But the next question you would want to, quickly ask yourself in the event you're answering the question is still, or that the price is still down below 8,400 is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,900? If you are answering the question that the price is down below 7,900, then again, at that point, I'm not going to be dramatic and say the entire chart is destroyed, but that would be a sign that the bears are certainly picking up some momentum and their overall kind of quote-unquote feel of the chart is starting to shift around if you were to be answering, like I said, that the price is down below 7,900. So again, if the price is up above 8,400, that's great. That implies the price is back up into this range of the chart, which is always a good thing. But in the event you're answering that the price is actually just between these two areas, well, then at one point, you could use one word to describe that situation. That would just be consolidation. The prices continue to consolidate down around that area of the chart. So, and then as far as the upside is concerned, just let your gut instincts, common sense play the role. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, not only is the price up above 8,400, but it's, up here at 9,100. Well, that would be telling you that not only was this the start of a bigger break, but the bulls are having themselves a very, very nice weekend. So like I said, from that point of view, gut instincts will carry you very, very far. So overall, though, interesting dynamic here headed into the weekend. So we'll see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.